Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to create something special with you. Mamaapplique embroidered crewneck sweatshirts using baby onesies. These are not only adorable, but they're perfect for preserving your memories of your little ones. So let's dive in and head off to the materials. Today's material needed are a crewneck or hoodie. I'm using a black crewneck. You will also need a baby onesie or baby outfit. I am using a onesie and a pair of pants that I got from our local Goodwill because I do not have children. You will also need an embroidery machine and a hoop. I am using Mighty hoops today. These are magnetic hoops that make for easy hooping. You will also need your embroidery thread. I'm using Madeira and some colors that are close to matching the outfit for today. You will need scissors to cut out the baby onesie. You will also need heat and bond. I get this from All Stitch. The link will be below in the description. Some water. This will be for your magic ink pen. We'll use this to mark where the design's going to go on the crew neck, and then the water will be to erase it at the end. A lint roller to catch extra threads. Thread snips. An iron. I will be using a Cricut in this video. So you will need your Cricut and your cutting mat. The Mama template file, you can purchase this in my store. The link will also be in the description below. You'll need the Mama cut file, which is what I will be using to cut the fabric on my Cricut machine. If you will not be using a Cricut and you'll be cutting the fabric on your hoop, you'll need applique scissors. Again, I got these from All Stitch. The link is in the description below. And of course, an optional cup of coffee as you make your design. Now that we have all of our materials, let's prepare our applique. We need to stabilize our fabric to ensure that it won't shred during the cutting. We're going to use the Fuse and Bond from All Stitch, and we're going to heat it to the back of our baby onesie. For the baby onesies, I always cut the back side. That way, if the parents want the baby onesie back, they at least have the front. And the back side is typically longer, which gives you more fabric to use during the stitching. Let's go ahead and cut our baby onesie using our fabric scissors. I'm just going to make a little slit here in the corner, and then I'm going to cut straight up. These don't have to be perfect. Now we are going to take our Fuse and Bond and cut out as much as we need. Now we are going to iron the Fuse and Bond or fusible interfacing to the back of the fabric. This adhesive backing will provide stability and prevent fraying. Make sure when you are ironing these on that the shiny side is ironed to the back of the fabric, leaving a paper face down. Try to avoid placing your iron where the heat and bond is exposed without any fabric, as this will make the heat and bond stick to the bottom of your iron. Once you are finished ironing, remove all of the excess heat and bond that may be showing. If you do not have a Cricut, you'll need your applique scissors in a later step. You can skip ahead. I'll be using my Cricut to pre-cut my fabric. You can purchase the pre-cut file in the description below. In this step, I'm using my Cricut Maker machine, my Cricut rotary blade, the Cricut strong grip mat, as well as the fabric setting that is pre-saved in the Cricut software. Now that our fabric has been cut out and is ready to be placed on the sweatshirt, I'm going to be using my Hoop Master hooping station. Here I'm placing my cutaway stabilizer onto the hooping station, inserting my sweatshirt over the top of it, making sure it is completely lined up, and attaching my 10 by 13 mighty hoop to the sweatshirt. Now I'm going to be using my magic pen from Madeira to mark where I want my design to start. Let's remove the sweatshirt from the hooping station and load it onto our embroidery machine. I'm going to go ahead and trace my design so I know where it is going to be stitched out on the sweatshirt. Once the sweatshirt is loaded, run the Mama embroidery file on your machine's manual setting. The machine will stop once the run stitch has been embroidered into the sweatshirt. Remove the hoop sweatshirt once it is done embroidering. After the run stitch is complete, place the applique letters onto the sweatshirt. Make sure to remove the paper backing from the letters. Using your iron, place it for a couple of seconds on each letter to ensure they won't move during the next process. Once your letters are bonded, place the hoop sweatshirt back on the machine and click the start to initiate the satin stitch. The machine will start running the satin stitch to securely attach the applique letters to the sweatshirt. Your sweatshirt should be finished embroidering now. Remove it from the machine and the hoop. Make sure to trim any excess thread and remove any visible markings from the fabric. Give your sweatshirt a final press with the iron or heat press to ensure everything is neatly secured and flattened. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed this DIY tutorial, and I'd love to see your creations, so tag me on social media. If you'd like to purchase anything that you saw in the video, make sure to scroll down to the description and click on any of the links. This shirt will be in one of the links as well. Use code CRAFT for 10% off. Be sure to like, comment, or subscribe for more heartfelt crafting videos. Till next time, happy crafting!